ready. I'm going to adjust you just a little bit, okay?
All right. Pull. He never come this way.
He missed that a little low left. Now that time, what you did, you started. Good move. Now that's stuck with you, but it's too big.
2 bit. Okay, so I was
cut
waiting.
that in about half. What you get done that time. Okay? Okay. You want just that one a time or two?
Sure.
Okay. Okay. Set up really good. Real good. Touch higher. There you go.
Pull.
Real big pull. Good setup now.
Pull.
That's too early. A little bit.
Pull.
Attaboy. Good. Good.
So I was starting to fall in too early.
Too early. Taking off a little early. Yep.
Hands leaving early,
Yeah.
and then just trying to play catch up.
Do it again, or you want to go to another?
Let's go to the next one.
Yeah, let's go to the next